welcome you all to the Bauma here in Munich. And I would like to especially welcome you to the demo site of Komatsu. Great to have you here. We've put together an exciting show for you, and in the next 30 minutes we would like to show you a variety of Komatsu machines. Now, if you have any questions regarding the Komatsu machines or also the services that we are offering, please do not hesitate to contact my colleagues either here on the demo site or just across the road in Hall C6 where we have our booth. But now I'd say, let's get started. Let's get started, dear Bauma audience. Great to have you all here. Can I hear you? Very good. Great to have you with us here for the 2:30 p.m. show that has started right now. We can see coming in on the right side my wonderful colleague Rainer. Rainer's coming in on a PC24MR-5. I'm coming in just behind me right here. There you see him. This is Lars. Lars is coming in on a PC18MR-5. Now, these babies right here, as well as all other Komatsu utility machines, are a combination of the latest technology as well as Komatsu's decades-long experience. And the result, as you can see it right here, are very compact, very versatile, and super user-friendly machines with excellent performance. You can do what we have here is a 400-ton mining excavator. And this one right here is not only designed in Düsseldorf, it is also manufactured there. Right here at Bauma, we are showing the electrically powered version, of which Komatsu has sold 370 units worldwide. Now, together with its smaller and larger brothers, yes, there is larger versions of this, Komatsu has sold 1,700 large excavators to customers all around the world. Okay, coming in now, we see the HD 785-8 rigid dump truck. And this one, as you see it here, is used in mines. The driving comfort that our Peter up here is enjoying is really not that much different from a heavy-duty or normal truck even. The dimensions are different, the payload is a little bit different. What we're looking at here is that we decided to put this big gas tank in there. So when Dan goes to the gas station, he has to take a whole big wallet to make sure that that gas tank is filled. And our Peter's going to drive it in right now. It is a wheel loader. It offers a very comfortable working environment by our two operators, by Bernd as well as by Peter, of course. Okay. Thank you very much to Bernd, and of course also to Peter. And with this, I've come over here because I'd like to share something with you. You can see we prepared a little bit something for you. Now, something that you may or may not know is that Komatsu also builds machines for forestry. And that happens in Umeå in northern Sweden, and that's where the Komatsu harvesters and forwarders are built. And based on the wealth of experience that we have developed the WA475-10 tool linkage in Hanover. And ladies and gentlemen, here it is, being brought in by our Lars. And Lars, let me step over here. Lars likes to keep his cabin door open for perfect ventilation, so we can peek inside. What we can see right here is that Lars is using joystick steering. Makes his workplace very easy and ergonomically, and he can work all day without getting tired. He's very easygoing, our Lars. So Lars is not only easygoing, but he's also very happy, because what we can see here is a machine that was specifically designed for this purpose. It is equipped with special lifting kinematics to meet the demanding challenges of lifting logs at peak performance. The features that Lars is enjoying include the newly designed boom with a special reversing lever, as well as the revised hydraulic cylinders, and they ensure an extremely even and high power transfer, which is necessary because what Lars is going to do now is going to just drive over there and he's going to pick up those logs. He's not going to pick up 1, 2, or 3 logs. We would like Lars to pick up all the logs and give them a little bit of a spin. So Lars, if you're ready, go give it a try and show us what you can do. Not a bother on our Lars right here. He can pick them all up without any problem at all, as we can see right now. Great work, Lars. He's giving those logs just a little spin right now. We can see a very small turning radius. Very relaxed working for our Lars. Good work, Lars. Let's put them back down again and move on. Komatsu are also active in the very important market segment of demolition and recycling. And the next machine I'd like to introduce to you now is a key player in this field. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our mobile crusher, the BR380. And it is coming in. It's being operated by our Peter over here using the remote control. There you are, you can see. Peter is doing a multitude of things. He's driving the PC290 as well as also bringing in the BR380 with the remote control. Now, what we have here is Komatsu's first zero CO2 machine in Europe. And you might ask yourself, well, hold on, how's that possible? Very easy. Komatsu purchases the equivalent to the CO2 emitted by this machine and plants trees. And Komatsu does this for the entire lifetime of the machine. It is a self-propelled machine that feeds material into the jaw crusher via the vibrating hopper and crushes it to a variable size, which can be anywhere between 50 to 400 millimeters. And Peter, why don't you give it a go? Show us what the mobile crusher can do right now. So let's get Lina lined up so you can pick everything up. And okay, so what you're going to see first is going to be on your right side. We're going to watch the pre-screening. That's where the smaller pieces as well as sand are being ejected. What we have then is that the metal parts, they are being removed with the magnetic separator, and then the separated material right here is conveyed with the ejection valve. What's very important here is that we have internal sensors in this, so should there be a blockage, not to worry. The mobile crusher is going to stop automatically, and that will happen before any damages occur. So Lars was just PC210, and right here in the demo area, here it is already. It's our very first electrically driven wheel loader by Komatsu. Presented by our Lars, driving in very relaxed. What we see here is the WA Electric, and isn't it a beauty? This right here, as you can see on the side, it is a prototype under test, in which the travel drive, steering, and all the work equipment cylinders are all operated completely electrically. The quick coupler is still actuated hydraulically, and this enables us to control the hydraulic attachments and operate them in the same way as with conventional wheel loaders. And in the final expansion stage of this concept here, what we are planning to do is have the use of a battery that is very strong and powerful, and a battery that will allow the use at a building site all day under regular working conditions. So I don't know how you feel, but I'm very excited about this and can't wait for the final stage of this concept and prototype. So, dear Bauma audience, you have been a fantastic audience. Thank you so much for your time, for your attention. Thank you that you spent the last 30 minutes with us, and I could tell you a little bit about Komatsu's machines. If you have questions, talk to my colleagues, please. They can tell you all about Komatsu's machines and services, either right here in the demo area or also just over there.